Welcome to the Pure Chart Trading channel. Right off the bat, I need to warn you that I don't present strategies here as some kind of trading secret or holy grail. I show two different strategies that I've been trading with for 6 years, and I have enough data to know that they work in the long run. You won't see any expensive cars or fake photos of my profits here. Trading is all about consistency, sticking to strategy rules, and risk management. I try to show the real face of trading, not fake trading and promises of a 90% win rate. If you've got that down, let's head over to the charts. I'll wait for a nice move to create a break of structure, and until then I'm just waiting. We have a break of structure here. I'll see what the market does next, and based on that, I'll mark my zone using the Fibonacci tool. Always pay close attention to exactly how I use the Fibonacci tool so you know exactly what to do. I'm waiting for a pullback to the golden zone, and I need confirmation before entering. Price tapped the golden zone and printed a rejection candle. That's a clear entry trigger for me. I always use a 1 to 2 risk to reward. To maintain a stable win rate, I need strict discipline with this rule. There we have it. The first trade of the day and a pretty nice take profit right off the bat. I'm up 2%, which is awesome. Every day I repeat the exact same process, and in every video I try to show you how the markets actually work. It doesn't matter what time frame you use, it doesn't matter what currency pair you trade, the only thing that matters is doing the same routine over and over again and strictly sticking to your plan and your strategy. If you can do that in the long run, you'll likely be profitable. I have 3 more trade examples lined up for today, so let's dive into them together. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new upload. On my channel, you'll always see this exact process. I wait for a break of structure, and if the market does that, I mark my zone and wait for price to return to it. Without that, there is no trade. A nice clean impulse created a break of structure, so I know exactly where to mark my golden zone with the Fibonacci tool. Price retraced, and that doji candle is a clear signal to jump in. Exactly what I'm doing here. I'm risking 1% to make 2%. It's the exact same routine over and over, and I change absolutely nothing. Let's see if luck is on my side this time too. Another take profit? Yes sir. This trade brought in 2%, putting me up 4% total so far. You never know how this trade or the next one will turn out because trading is all about probabilities, not some trading secret. It's always the exact same process and you repeat it over and over no matter what. Let me know in the comments what you think about this or what your own experience has been. I still have 2 more examples lined up, so I won't drag this out. Let's jump right into them. Like always, over and over again, I'm waiting for a nice price move and I want to see a break of structure. I will show you this exact same thing in 100 of my videos just so you fully understand it and follow it. Do you see that nice move and the break of structure yourself? Let's mark it out and wait for price to return to our golden zone. Yes, exactly. The market does this a lot, where you just keep dragging your Fibonacci tool and keep waiting for that right move and setup. So we have a clear new break of structure, and the market price looks like it has enough momentum to keep heading up. But don't forget that you always have to wait for price to return to your golden zone and also get confirmation. Without that, there is no trade. Adjust your Fibonacci tool only based on what you see, absolutely never based on what you think, and just wait. Finally, you need to have massive patience, and as you can see, I waited and it paid off. Price retraced back into my golden zone. A key detail here is that no candle body closed inside the golden zone, and we immediately see the exact confirmation we were waiting for. So the same process follows. Risking 1% to make 2%, that's all there is to it. If you see what price is doing, how it paused and looks like it wants to reverse, I'd rather move my stop loss to break even to avoid an unnecessary loss. Even though I thought price was going to reverse on me and take me out at break even, it didn't happen, and it cleanly smashed through my take profit for another plus 2%. The good thing was that the market at least let me set up protection at break even since price was already high enough near the take profit. A lot of times when you open a trade, price can go straight against you and hit your stop loss, but don't sweat it because that's what trading is all about. Nobody wins every single trade, and in reality, you could easily go on a losing streak of even 6 bad trades in a row. That's just trading. There's still one last trade example left that I have lined up for today, and at the end of the video we'll tally up how I did today. Now let's look at that final trade. Here we go again, waiting for a clean move and a break of structure. Even though the market looks like it keeps heading down, in most cases, it doesn't last forever. So we're going to try a counter-trend trade. The break of structure is clear, so I'll mark my golden zone with the Fibonacci tool and wait for a pullback and confirmation. Nice price retracement, a clean wick into my golden zone, and a clear green candle confirming that price might bounce off my zone. That's a definitive entry signal for me to take the trade. I'll set a 1% risk and a 2% profit target, and we'll see what happens this time around. If you use a break-even stop, you would have already had a risk-free trade a long time ago. Now that's what I call a hell of a patience test. Even though the market looked like it was trying to keep heading down at first, it turned around after all, and we capitalized on it at just the right time. Even though it was jumping up and down for a long time and looked like we'd finish at break even multiple times, we finally managed to pull it off and secure a 2% take profit. Sometimes it really feels like the market is doing it on purpose just to go against you, but that's not the case. This is simply trading with everything that comes with it. So today, I'm up an incredible 8%, and you can have days or weeks exactly like this too. You just have to constantly follow the exact same process and the same rules. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, hit that subscribe button and drop any thoughts or your own perspective down in the comments below. Pure Chart Trading Channel. Subscribe.